Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another recipe that I absolutely love. I try to avoid rice, pasta and flatbread which I used to eat every day with my curries. So I'm replacing it with cauliflower. And I'm making cauliflower rice that do not taste bland. I'm going to show you how I make it from scratch. It's very easy and not at all complicated. I used to have cauliflower rice from stores, the frozen ones, but they're always out of stock. So I thought I'll make it myself and I'll freeze them as well. So let's jump into it. First of all, I got the whole cauliflower cut into florets and washed them properly. I'm going to use chopper here and grind them for about few seconds. Then transfer in a microwave safe container and heat it for about good 5 minutes. You want them to get soft before we transfer into a pan to make them tasty. I'm going to make this recipe oil-free. Add salt to taste, pinch of paprika powder, turmeric powder, curry powder, and black pepper powder. Saute them for a good couple of minutes until they start to stick at the bottom. I'm also adding a little bit of garlic powder. In the meantime, I'm going to freeze the remaining cauliflower. I can see all the moisture is gone. So that's it guys, it's ready. It's so quick and easy, you can have it with any curry of your choice. I'm having it with tadka dal. It's yellow dal, also made without oil. It's also called yellow lentil. If you would like to know how I make this dal, let me know in the comment box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching.